Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Albeta, but you can just simply call me Albi. I won't lie, I would say crochet extensions, Afro kinky crochet extensions to be specific, definitely is one of my favorite hairstyles to do at this point, because I've just been trying hairstyles with Afro kinky crochet extensions back to back, and today's hairstyle is no exception. I absolutely love how this hairstyle turned out. It's super easy to do, and you can do it on any length of natural hair. As you can see, my hair is shorter now, but I was still able to pull off this hairstyle. Okay, so I didn't do much. All I'm doing here is to just part my hair into two sections. After parting my hair, I just went ahead to braid the front section first, because the plan is to work on the back section before working on the front section. So I did some cornrows on the back section. The cornrows don't have to be neat because they're going to be covered up anyway, but if you think you have enough time and you can take your time and do some clean cornrows, that's also fine. Nobody's going to beat you for that. So yeah, I just did the cornrows and then I just went straight in to crocheting. Okay. Now to the star of the show. So this is the Afro kinky extension. You guys, this is my second time using this extension, and the first time I used it, I did film a tutorial on the hairstyle I achieved with it, so you guys can check out that hairstyle. I'm going to link it down below, okay, so you can check that out as well. Now you guys see what I'm doing here. When crocheting, I say this all the time and I'm going to keep saying it. When crocheting, please pass the crochet needle through the cornrows, okay? Do not let the crochet needle touch your scalp. I think that's the better way to say it. Do not let the crochet needle touch your scalp. Let it pass through the cornrow. Okay, and this is also feather crochet extension, so it is quite easy to install. I don't know if I mentioned this, but this particular one is from Hair Given Hair. This is my second time using it again, like I said earlier. Now moving on to the front section. For this section, I did some really cute cornrows. I'll call them Fulani cornrows. Okay, so this hairstyle is giving the, is it J Wade? I don't know, there's this particular hairstyle trend and then they call it, is it J Wade hairstyle also? So yeah, with that hairstyle they do like half cornrows and then half curly crochet hair. So yeah, this hairstyle is giving that, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Prior to that, I think we used to call this same hairstyle like Fulani braids with curls or something like that, but now I think they call it J Wade, or maybe that one is different from what I'm talking about. So yeah, I just went straight into doing the cornrows. So for the cornrows, I didn't add any extra braiding extension. I just cornrowed my own hair. Yeah, I just cornrowed my own hair. I didn't add any extra extensions. I did about just 6 braids, 3 braids on each side, and yeah, that was just basically it. So I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the video, and also I do have a little bit of information. I do have a little information for you guys at the end of the video, so I would advise you to watch till the end of the video to listen to my little cry or rant. My little cry or rant. Okay, my little cry or rant. Okay, so yeah, please do well to watch till the end of the video to just hear me talk for a little bit. You guys, I won't lie, filming with one phone is very difficult. It's so difficult filming with one phone. It's not easy because I don't just film for YouTube, I film for TikTok and Instagram as well. TikTok and Instagram, I'll have to tilt the phone to make it vertical, and if I have to film for YouTube, the ratio must be 16.8 or so. So it's very difficult. Sometimes I want to get like a particular sometimes I want to get a particular part of a video for maybe, let's say, YouTube or TikTok, but I'm unable to do it. I'll just have to compromise and then take it for one of the platforms. So I really apologize for some shots that you guys are unable to see on here. I'm so sorry. I really apologize. I'm so sorry, but I always make sure to insert the short clips that I filmed for YouTube and Instagram at the end of every YouTube video. The ones that I miss for YouTube, I always make sure to include them at the end of the video, or sometimes even in the middle part of the video. Okay, so yeah, all I did, I'll just insert the clip of what I did to achieve this for you guys to see. The only problem is it's in TikTok or Instagram mode, but you guys have to bear with me. Okay, if I film for YouTube only, transporting it to TikTok and Instagram will be very difficult because the ratios there are not the same, so it's going to be very difficult. That's why I try to do that for TikTok and Instagram instead. Then I'll just include it on here on YouTube for you guys. So I sincerely apologize. So please, with that being said, if you are not following me on TikTok and Instagram, please do well to follow me on there. Sometimes when I'm not posting here on YouTube, I post on TikTok and Instagram because I'm very consistent today. Because the thing about those platforms are, you have to be consistent. And I'm trying to stay consistent on all my platforms, but it's very difficult It's very difficult to doing that with just one phone. I only film with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, so it's very difficult for me. It's so difficult for me. I'm praying and hoping. I'm just praying, keeping my fingers crossed that I'll get a new phone before next year, God willing. I'm really hoping I get a new phone before next year, God willing, so that I'm able to stay consistent on all my platforms. You know, if I have 2 different phones, or if I should even have 1 phone and 1 camera, I can film both. I can film both at the same time. All I have to do is to just set the camera or the other phone on this side whilst filming with this one. You know, so yeah, please. It's not me. It's just not me. I've not posted on here for about 2 or almost 3 weeks now, and it's not my fault. It's not my fault. Sometimes the videos that I want to film, there's just nothing I can do about it. I can't do anything about it. I can't do anything about it because I'm just using one phone. Let's say I'm installing a video, like I'm installing a frontal. If I'm installing a wig, it's very difficult. It's going to be so difficult to film with just one phone for different platforms at the same time. With that, I'm unable to do it. I can't do it because when I'm laying it down, I would definitely want to get that shot for all the platforms, and I won't be able to do that. I can't do that. I'm unable to do that with just one phone. Okay, so please bear with me. So that's why people have to keep watching my video. Keep watching my video so that I can get monetized on YouTube and get money and then buy a second phone or a camera. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you've been able to watch up to this point and you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the post notifications bell so that I'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos, and I do appreciate the love on my last video. Oh my god, that video is almost at 1k views in just a month, and I'm super grateful because this channel is still very young. So I'm really grateful to God and to you guys for all the support so far, and thank you guys so much for 120 subscribers. I always make sure I have my subscriber count at the back of my head so that I can always thank you guys and show you guys how appreciative I am of you. Thank you so much. God richly bless each one of you. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.